Kale salads are one of my favorite ways to eat veggies. The trick to making a really great kale salad is to massage it really well. It breaks it down and makes it much more these tender leaves. Makes it much more enjoyable to eat. My kids actually aren't the biggest kale fans, but they would rather eat kale salad than any other kind of salad. So what you do is take a big chunk and you just keep squeezing, massaging it with your hands. It's a good wrist workout. It's also a really fun way to have your kids help after a very thorough lesson in hand washing. And you just kind of break it down, really massage it for a while until it becomes a little wet looking and really, really vibrant green. And now for this kale salad, I'm making a lemon, avocado, and blueberry salad. It's really simple to make. So I'm going to use 2 avocados, but I'm going to start with just massaging one in so that this one kind of creates a dressing. I'm gonna put some lemon in too. So with the lemon and the avocado, you create this really nice dressing. Mash it in. Don't be afraid to get really messy. Like I said, messy. Put the rest of my lemon and the rest of the avocado. It's very juicy. Now for the second avocado, we're gonna mash it up just a bit and leave some of the texture so you get nice little avocado chunks. Now we'll add just a little bit of salt, some fresh ground pepper, and I'm using a cup of blueberries here. You can use as many or as little as you like. And then just kind of toss together. Kale is so good and so good for you. It has vitamins A and C, lots of potassium, and a lot of fiber, that good roughage to help your body work the way that it needs to. Anyone got some nutrient facts on blueberries? This whole salad is raw, vegan, gluten-free, oil-free, and because I used only a tiny bit of salt, if you omitted the salt, it would still taste really good. And kale is like a bottle brush for your intestines. We're always interested in your recipe ideas, so if you've got any, make sure to comment below.